Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly set up maintenance mode for your up and coming pages in Elementor from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So in today's video, like I said, I'll be showing you guys the method on how you can configure the Elementor plugin for WordPress when you go to build your website. So the idea here is we first want to log into our WordPress account as an administrator, and here's what the dashboard looks like. So let's say let's come up with a scenario where you guys are going on about your day and you're building your website using the site builder and text editor for Elementor, and it doesn't seem to be working right. So it's all laggy, and when you add new widgets or new elements to your website, it just doesn't seem to be working. So it seems like in these cases, it's due for a maintenance. So to actually do that is quite simple. You want to go back to WordPress like so. And from here, you guys want to hover over Elementor. So Elementor, it actually depends on what plugins you guys have installed, but mine, it can be found between WooCommerce and templates. So from here, click on Elementor, or you could honestly just hover over it. So let's actually do that again. So we're at Elementor, and from here, you guys would want to click on Tools, like so, and it would redirect you to this new page right here. So this new page has General, the Replace URL tab, the Version Control tab, and right away you'll see Maintenance Mode. So it reads, Maintenance Mode, set your entire website as Maintenance Mode, meaning the site is offline temporarily for maintenance, or set it as Coming Soon, which is what we're looking to do for the pages. And to do that, you want to choose the mode right here. Click on the drop down. There are three options being disabled, Coming Soon, and maintenance. So it really depends on what application you guys want to use it for. Let's say that you guys are a new business and you want to let the people know that you have a website, but it's undergoing I guess configuration. So you can set it as Coming Soon, so this way they know that you're building the website for their use. Or you could do maintenance mode. Either way doesn't really either way should work, and hit save changes, and you guys are done. So yeah, that's the video. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.